this video, let's learn about an economic system that dates back to the 17th and 18th century. So there were groups of people such as merchants, bankers, government officials, etc. who consisted of the merchant class and advocated economic philosophy which is commonly known as mercantilism. These people preached economic nationalism with the belief that a nation can only grow at the expense of other nation, which is a zero-sum game. Certain important features of mercantilist ideology were: first, the only way for a nation to become rich is to increase export and decrease imports, ultimately leading to trade surplus. Second, the more is the inflow of bullion, the more powerful a nation would be. As with this inflow, the bullion can be used to buy more weapons, armies, etc. Third, more precious metals mean more income, therefore greater business activities in the nation. And fourth, the government's only role is to encourage exports and discourage imports. Nowadays, we see a resurgence of neo-mercantilism thought, where nations that are plagued by high levels of unemployment seek to restrict imports in an effort to stimulate domestic production and employment.